Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A6 Pro and let me share with you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Then let's tap on App Management, and basically here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. And what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of those apps, especially those which you're using frequently, and to remove cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. Moreover, they are occupying quite a lot of memory. I mean, if we will sum up all of those apps, then there is a significant part of the memory occupied. So let's open the app, for example Chrome in my case, then go to storage usage, and as you can see here we've got this cache section. So just tap on clear cache. It's really easy, you do not have to confirm anything. Your device will immediately remove the cache, and as I said, do it for all of those apps. And after that, after the whole operation, I highly recommend to simply soft reset, or basically power off your device and then power it on again in order to confirm all of the changes. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.